Just take 10 seconds and imagine this. 1 year from today, you open your portfolio and for a moment, you honestly can't tell whether you should feel proud or deeply regretful. In this video, I am going to show you three possible futures after investing today, and one of them is most likely going to be yours. What if I told you the decision you make today could quietly decide whether you feel confident or regretful exactly 1 year from now, and most people won't even realize where they went wrong until into too late. Stay with me because the last scenario catches almost everyone. Every day, millions of people ask the same question: is this the right time to invest? But that's the wrong question. The real question is what happens after invest. Don't skip, this will save you from a mistake most investors repeat. In the next few minutes, I will walk you through three realistic future after investing today. One looks amazing, one looks boring, and one hurts financially and emotionally. Pay attention to which one seconds like you. The best case. Let's start with the dream scenario. You invest today. The market grows steadily, not crazy, just healthy. 10, 12, maybe 15%. Your $10,000 becomes a $11,200, maybe $11,500. But here is the real win. It's not the money, it's confidence. You stop checking your phone every hour. You stop panicking at every headline. You finally understand how the market feels. If this sounds good, keep watching because this is a rare than you think. Most people think it happens by luck. It doesn't. It happens because of discipline. The most common reality. Now let's talk about the future no one posts on social media. You invest today and 1 year later nothing impressive happens. Some months you are up, some months you are down. Your $10,000 becomes a $9,800, then $10,300, then back to $10,000. This is where most people fail, not because of losses, but because of boredom and doubt. Listen carefully, this part decides your long term future. People quite here, they say investing doesn't work, but the truth is, this phase is the training ground. 1 year like this teaches your patience, and patience is what makes real money. Scenario 3, the dangerous one. Now let me show you the future no one wants to admit. You invest today, but not with a plan. You buy because of hype, because a friend said something, because social media screamed opportunity. Then the market drops, your $10,000 becomes $8,500, then $7,800, and now fear takes over. If this feel uncomfortable, don't skip. This is important. You sell at the worst time, not because you were wrong, but because you were emotional. This is how people lose money in markets, not because markets are evil, but because decisions are impulsive. The real truth section. Here is the truth no one tell beginners. 1 year is not about becoming rich. 1 year is about becoming a dangerous. Dangerous to bad decisions. If after 1 year you learned how you react to losses, how patience feels, how noises manipulate emotions, then you are already ahead of 90% of people. Most people never reach this level, don't be one of them. Most people never reach this level, don't be one of. So if you invest today, 1 year later you won't just see a number, you will see a version of yourself. More confident, more patient, or more regretful. And the scary part is the future is being decided quietly right now. If this video helped you think clearly, like the video. Subscribe for honest investing psychology. Not hype, not promises, and comment one word below: discipline if you are playing the long game.